welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about Nifty's weekly expiry. So pretty straightforward, 1, 2, 3 and 4th week. So these 2 weeks it was completely sideways, creating positive decay. This was also open and close was almost similar, so positive decay. But this one was a trending one, so it was a negative decay. So except for the last week, it's okay. But overall, if you check as a monthly expiry for Nifty, then it would be in a profit because open was here and close was here. Almost open was equal to close. Okay, and consistently one condition we saw is call resistance was more, creating the resistance being very strong here. And also the USA news was the reason for fall. Okay, now we'll check for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it was definitely a negative decay. So you could see how the open and the close for the monthly expiry is definitely far away. So this was open and this was closed. Definitely the resistance is strong here, and it was a negative decay. Okay, now we'll go and check the OI. Okay, so first we'll start with stocks. So on the positive side, we have Titan, Coal India and Hero MotoCorp. On the negative side, Shriram Fin, HCL Tech and PowerKit. So second day in row, Shriram Fin is financials is falling down. So have to check that in detail. Okay, so basically it was a flat open when you check all. So that was also showing a neutral stand. So basically you could see the 700 900, as I told you, it had a neutral view. Now we'll go and check for the FII. I hope the data for today would have, no, it's not released. We are stuck with the data of 26, but yeah, just we will see this alone. So clearly the buyers are less than the sellers. So the resistance is clearly strong here. Okay, I'll move on. So it will take more time for the data to be released. So we don't have any holidays. When I check for results for 29th, we have NBCC and IRB infra developers. So yep, not much affecting the Nifty. Okay, so here we have some news for India, which is high. So tomorrow, let's see, can be a wild move tomorrow because it's going to be the new start. And here you could see it was profit booking clearly. When you check for next expiry, it was clearly built up, especially at 235. The build up was pretty much strong for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so you could clearly see, so 235 315 it was falling, right? But then when you check for next expiry, yeah, exactly at that point the build-up has been very sharp in the overall OI. Okay, now I'll check the straddle. So we'll do a small price action comparison here to find out whether it was a positive one or the negative one. So I'll take Nifty first. So this is definitely week 4 and day 5. So let me just add it. This is day 5 of the week 4. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and 4 was holiday, so we'll straight away jump to 5. Okay, now when you check for open was 700, so I have to improve the count. So definitely you could see the open was near some 150 and the close was 190. Definitely it was a loss making trade for Nifty, though it was a long straddle day here. The long straddle for till here it was short straddle. So from here the decay was good here, making a short straddle to win, but from here it just went up, making the long straddle to win. So it was clearly you could see how both of them have profited here. Now we'll quickly check for next expiry as well. and then here when you check, it is a profitable trade because next expiry the decay is not equal as now current expiry. Okay, so now we'll go to check Bank Nifty. So when you check Bank Nifty open was 54,200, and here also it started with 350 but ended with 412. Okay, so the calculation is pretty simple, you can do by yourself checking my all other videos. I'll skip this part, so let's say tata, goodbye. Sorry, I have to discuss some important points as well. Okay, so yeah, already previously discussed. So that's it guys, thank you.